Hi you guys, I'm back to show you how I do my eyelash routine, how I apply single lashes. So today we're just going to put on our strips, and first you want to make sure that your lashes are clean and go ahead and brush them out if you have lashes going in different directions. Now I'm going to use some lashes that I got from the hair store, just some regular lashes that I like to use every single day. These are natural looking lashes and they're really short. I like to wear short lashes, really short, unless I'm going to like a special event, and then I'll spice it up. So because my lashes are so curly, I have to put my lashes on underneath my lash, and so that's exactly how I would do it. I would lift my eye up and then put them on underneath. Again, you want to make sure you wash your hands. Some people like to use tweezers. For this application, I'm going to use my fingers, so I made sure I washed my hands and washed my face, my eyes, and my eyelashes and everything. To apply lashes underneath, you would need to put the glue on top. Normally, you would put the glue in the back, kind of, to put the lashes on the top of your eyelash, but we're going to put it in the front part of the lash. And whatever glue you prefer to use, place it on that top rim of that lash. I like to start in the middle when I press the lash on my eyelashes, and then from one side to the other side, and I'll show you that now. Also, you want to make sure you place the eyelashes on your eyelash hairs. This will take a lot of practice, trying over and over again. So don't worry, just keep trying. When you're practicing to put the eyelash underneath, make sure you use a glue that's not really strong, something that is very light, just in case, because the glue is closer to your eye at this point. And there it is. Simple eyelash routine for those who have super curly eyelashes, so you can put them underneath. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you all next time.